ready to crochet your way into the spookiest time of the year. Introducing Halloween Crochet Creations, your go-to app for Halloween crochet patterns. With Halloween Crochet Creations, you can bring your Halloween ideas to life. Create cute, creepy decorations and one-of-a-kind costume accessories, all from the comfort of your home. It's perfect for everyone from beginners to expert crocheters. Each pattern comes with easy-to-follow instructions, so you'll never feel stuck. You'll get quick, easy projects that can be finished in no time. From pumpkins and ghosts to bats and witches, we've got a wide variety of Halloween patterns to choose from. Imagine filling your home with handmade, spooky decorations or showing off your crochet costume accessories at your Halloween party. It's more than just crochet, it's your chance to make Halloween magical with your own hands. And it's not just for you, get the whole family involved and make crochet memories together with this Halloween. So what are you waiting for? Download Halloween Crochet Creations today and start crafting your spooky, fun Halloween projects. Get creative, get spooky, and make this Halloween unforgettable with Halloween Crochet Creations.